You want to wake up early. You've seen those 5 a.m. club videos. CEOs, top students, everyone bragging about their 5 a.m. grind. So you set your alarm, but when it rings, you hit snooze again and again. Suddenly it's 8 a.m., you're groggy and you feel guilty. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're just fighting biology the wrong way. Most people try to wake up early by sheer willpower, but ignore how sleep actually works. The result? You wake up feeling like a zombie, reach for caffeine, and crash by midday. But what if I told you there's a science-backed way to wake up at 5 a.m. and feel like you had a full 8 hours of deep restorative sleep? Ignore these tips? You'll stay stuck in the endless loop of snoozing and dragging yourself through the day. Stick around. The final tip is what makes or breaks every early riser. Tip 1. Master your sleep cycles. Here's the first secret. Your body sleeps in cycles about 90 minutes each. Ever wake up after 8 hours and feel tired? That's because you probably interrupted a cycle. To wake up fresh, you want to wake up at the end of a cycle, not in the middle. So here's how to do it. Count backwards from your wake-up time in 90-minute chunks. If you want to wake up at 5 a.m., aim to fall asleep at either 9:30 p.m. or 11 p.m. And yeah, as well falling asleep, not just getting into bed. You'll wake up during light sleep instead of deep sleep. No grogginess. Tip 2. Create a shutdown routine. Most students sabotage their mornings the night before. If you're scrolling TikTok until midnight, your brain stays wired for hours. Instead, create a shutdown ritual. At least 30 minutes before bed, dim the lights. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Read a boring book or journal. This tells your brain, hey, it's time to wind down. Do it consistently and you'll fall asleep faster, which means more sleep cycles before that 5 a.m. alarm. Tip 3. Use the light hack. Here's a trick straight from sleep researchers. Your brain's internal clock, your circadian rhythm, is controlled by light. Want to feel awake at 5 a.m.? Train your brain with light. First, get sunlight as soon as you wake up. Open the curtains, step outside, even for 5 minutes. This signals your brain, it's morning. Be alert. Second, block blue light at night. That means screens. Try blue light glasses or screen filters after sunset. Tip 4. Move first thing. Feel half asleep at 5 a.m.? Your blood circulation is low after sleep, so get it moving. Do 10 push-ups, jumping jacks, or even just stretch for 2 minutes. It kickstarts your body's energy and tells your brain, we're up now. Tip 5. Protect your sleep like it's your GPA. This is the real secret. It doesn't matter how many hacks you try. If you don't respect your sleep, you'll burn out. All-nighters might feel productive, but your brain files memories and repairs itself while you sleep. 7 to 8 hours is still the gold standard for your long-term health, so don't cut sleep to wake up early. Shift your bedtime instead. Tip 6. Feet on the floor. When your alarm goes off, don't lie there negotiating with your brain. Force yourself to put both feet on the floor right away. Better yet, leave your phone or alarm across the room so you have to get up. Once you're standing, you're awake. No more snoozing. Tip 7. Try a cold splash. This simple hack shocks your system awake. Splash cold water on your face as soon as you're up, or wash your hands with cold water. It activates your nervous system and tells your body, sleep time's over. Tip 8. Cut hidden caffeine. Your afternoon coffee might be ruining your early wake-ups. Caffeine can stay in your system for up to 8 hours, so set a caffeine curfew. No coffee or energy drinks after 2 p.m. Better sleep at night means you'll actually feel ready to get up at 5 a.m. Tip 9. Eat smart for better sleep. Late-night snacks and heavy dinners make falling asleep harder. Keep your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bed and avoid super spicy or sugary foods. Your body will thank you with deeper sleep and easier mornings. Tip 10. Do a mind dump. If your brain won't shut up when you're trying to fall asleep, keep a notebook by your bed. Before you sleep, write down any worries, reminders, or to-dos. This clears your mind so you can drift off faster and get those full sleep cycles you need. Tip 11. Use a gentle alarm. Most alarms blast you awake with a mini heart attack. Try using a sunrise alarm clock or an app that gradually brightens your room or plays soft sounds. You'll wake up more naturally, feeling calm instead of shocked. Tip 12, the 1-minute rule. When the alarm goes off, count 3, 2, 1, go, and get up immediately. No arguments with your half-asleep brain, just action. It's simple, but it works. Before you go, don't click away just yet. Make sure to save these tips or even take a screenshot, because here comes your quick recap to keep by your side every morning. Sleep in 90-minute cycles, create a wind-down ritual, use light to train your body clock, move when you wake up, respect your sleep like it's your GPA. Get both feet on the floor, splash cold water on your face, stop caffeine after 2 p.m., eat smart before bed, dump your thoughts onto paper, use a gentle alarm, count down and get up fast. Which tip will you try tonight? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready for more science-backed hacks to level up your student life, hit subscribe.